EO.
Ah, yes, it's from EO. I buy it from EO.
Daddy, what are you doing?
I'm working. I
Daddy,
want to, I want to charge my phone.
okay. Why are
You
you
don't
in
want
phone 6?
what?
Why already in phone 6?
Yes, I'm on fold 6. Why?
Because of your phone?
Yes, I want to have new phone.
Pops,
Daddy want always new
Daddy,
phone.
where's the CCTV?
It's around my shop. The CCTV is everywhere on my shop. You ask mommy if you want to see daddy on CCTV.
Yes,
Can you show me your teeth? What happened? You already have a teeth there, no?
there.
There's a teeth now. There's a new teeth.
Yes.
See a new teeth. Very good.
Isa pa lang. May gahunga naman.
Only one.
Ah,
Oh,
Still
what
hard.
happened there? Still hard. Still
Yeah.
hard, Miko.
It will hang at where I ate. Next
What you
time.
said?
It will hang later. Yes,
It
oh.
will hunga. It
Yes.
will hunga later.
Yeah.
Why you don't tell mommy to go to our favorite coffee shop? Why you don't tell mommy to go to our favorite coffee shop? You remember our favorite coffee shop?
Where are you in?
On Manila.
But what place are you on?
Malate. Malate and Makati.
Where's your home?
Makati.
Daddy, last time,
Mhm.
why is Michael here?
Yes, because Michael need to go to school on Iloilo. You don't want Michael to be in Iloilo?
Michael in Iloilo.
Michael on Iloilo? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
How about you? You want to go to Makati?
No. I'm going for
Why?
adults. Adults can
Why
go
you don't
to
want to why you
pag-go.
don't want to go with adults?
Daddy. Why you gave
Mm-hmm.
money to Mike?
What?
Why you gave money to Michael?
I don't give money to Michael. I give money to mommy.
Well, Daddy, is it raining?
Yes, it's raining here. How about there? Is it raining there?
No. Windy.
It's windy.
Daddy, when the rain will stop at Makati
Maybe later there will be no more rain, I hope, so that daddy will not get wet.
in late afternoon,
Mm-hmm. In late afternoon. What happened to you? Why are you so fat?
will be split in half.
Miko, why are you so fat?
I will eat all.
What? You're always eating?
Ito na.
What? You're eating again?
Anong bala ma-it again? You don't know.
No, no, no. Stop
Oh,
that. I said no more eat.
revive ko sa
Miko's not listening. Miko is not listening.
I
What is that?
milk biscuits.
Biscuit.
Uh,
Biscuit. It's
uh,
called biscuit. Milk biscuit.
tingnan mo muna iPhone chat ha.
So,
Pausa mo muna yung makulit ko. You don't have a teeth and you're eating and you're so fat? No eating and talking.
Kape lang muna na. Di nga kape.
Second coffee.
Kape ka.
Yeah, second coffee. It's
Spicy.
okay na naglansa ka
Daddy,
sa coffee one. Yes.
why you always like spicy garlic?
I like spicy foods and I like spicy garlic.
Barbecue park burger.
I like sour cream.
Sour cream and onion on magic chips.
I don't like to eat chips. You remember our favorite coffee shop? Are you still going there with mommy?
And Fabs.
Fabs? Was it Fabs? Yes, it was Fabs. What are you eating on Fabs? What's
Eat
your
straight to
favorite
Kuya
food on
Ding.
Fabs?
Pizza.
Fabs? No, that's Coffee Project. The one near your school. I
Na,
forgot the name.
near school is 18th Street.
18th Street.
Oo,
You
kaya ang Fabs
remember
yan, laptop
18th
sa
Street?
Imperial.
Yeah.
Fabs? Ah, Fabs.
Laptop sa Imperial, yeah.
Miko, what you like? 18th Street, Fabs, or Coffee Project?
6th Street lang.
It's good.
8th Street, gali, 8th Street.
You
8th
don't like
Street near
Coffee
school.
Project?
I like Shop Coffee Quadrant 8th Street.
What's your favorite food on 8th Street?
It's Coffee Quadrant and it's right.
What you like to eat on Coffee Project?
Pizza.
How about on 8th Street?
Also now.
Ano pa ka na? 30 hands mo.
You're eating biscuit, but look at your teeth. You don't have any teeth anymore. I just told you you're so fat and now you're eating again?
Tried.
So, daddy. You cover it while eating. Your hands will dirty.
We don't have a uniform. We don't have a uniform.
Uniform is on back.
You changed clothes already. You're playing with your food. I don't like it when you're playing with your food. Where's Manu Michael?
On the class.
Yeah.
Later you
He's
talk
still
to
on
Mike.
school? Okay, I will talk to Michael later. Ha? Ano, paglaruan mo muna dyan. Wala dito tester ko kasi eh. Basta yung visual check out na.
Never mind. It's
Oo. Automatic na yan. Di basta pag nakita nyo na lobo, kahit hindi ko natingnan, out na yan. Obvious na eh. Obvious na out na yan. Pang merienda nyo na yan. Are you drinking your water?
I think.
Show me you're drinking water now.
Marami pang the bag. Oh, my.
What? You don't know how to hold your water?
Properly. Hold properly in the body. In the body. Here, oh.
Oh, Miko is getting fat. I see his fat cheek.
Ay.
I see his very fat cheeks. Okay, good job after eating. Drink water. Daddy drinking coffee.
Wait lang. To drink more water. Don't punas are panyo.
We have. Who's that? Look behind you.
Oh, that's Kuya Jeffrey.
Courage Century. We got a new manang.
That's you've got a new manang?
It's Manawaya.
Manang Rhea?
No, Manawaya.
Leia.
Leia.
Yes.
Sorry. Is she good?
Yeah?
Is she behaving?
Yeah.
Nico, look at your tummy.
So many food.
Oh, what happened? Miko, behave na. Miko,
Taro,
behave.
but
Oh, Miko is so fat na. I don't like it.
Hi there.
May ganyan ka diet na sa pala biscuit mo.
Hi, Manawaya.
Di mo naka-diet ang biskwit.
Di pala biscuit sa mo nambok sa. Wash to na yung hands. No, daddy, mangri, Wash na yan sa pipi sa de. Nag-CR sa.
Oo, paup na lang itong kabaluhan na si
Update
Miko.
sa natawabi ko nagsirit-sugid man sa CR.
Sa CR.
Tawa lang sa may kung suluto sa may CR.
Init kita, me.
Oo, init diya. Ginaga ni init man.
Namungos ka gid mo.
Oo, kay gaginoot gid man.
Hmm.
Namangos ko. Nami isang phone mo gani.
Bago ba ka headset? Di ko balo magita. Ito puro law ay.
Tita, ni kagapon na baklanta ka sa Lenovo ang akon ginagamit.
Di ba si Laway man, nami lang siya sa Shopee, puro sakto Laway.
Kaya mo ni ginagamit ko subong nami man siya. Magdugay man sa akon 2 years na.
Yung calls na to, nahinay man ang call ya.
Ti amo ni try ko bala subong. Kaya mo ni nami. Try ko be. Try ko be kung mag-okay be.
Naka-loudspeaker man mo.
Oo. Sisting ko subong bala kaya mo ni saw. Para mabalaan mo. Te okay na. Headset na ni.
Hindi ba na
Okay.